Now, let us talk about the next and the last topic of this page, that is the revolutionaries. We learned about conservatism. We learned about how conservatives wanted to re-establish their rule after the defeat of Napoleon. Okay, they also imposed this censorship. They also stopped the freedom of press. They did not allow people to criticize the government openly. Hence, what were the condition of revolutionaries? The revolutionaries definitely were not going to be quiet because they wanted to bring freedom for their nation. So during the years following 1815, the fear of repression drove many liberal nationalists underground. Fear of repression means fear of brutalism by the government. यानी government की तरफ से दबाव आ रहा था, repression आ रहा था. So what happened? Most of the liberal nationalists were taken underground. Okay, secret societies were formed. They formed secret societies which could not be easily identified by the government. Why did they form the secret societies? Is because when they conducted the activities openly, what happened? It was clearly been identified by the government and the government did not supported them. Okay, so when they conducted the activities openly, it was actually a part of repression by the government. So when they wanted to conduct activities secretly, they were being very safe, and because they were very safe, and they sprang up with many secret societies. European states wanted to train revolutionaries and spread the ideas. They started spreading. Everything happened secretly क्योंकि conservatives did not liked it. Okay, to be revolutionary at that time mean to a commitment to oppose monarchical form. That means anyone at that time, if he declared himself or herself as a revolutionary, that means he has given a commitment to oppose the monarchical form of government, and that has been established after Vienna Congress. Okay, that means the people, the revolutionaries were not at all happy with the Vienna Congress and the government they formed. The revolutionaries wanted to fight for liberty and also for freedom. Okay, most of the revolutionaries also saw creation of nation states as necessary part of freedom. They said कि nation state बनना ही चाहिए, तभी you will get the freedom. None other government can give you freedom. Okay, now this para is very important. This para is about a revolutionary who's called as Giuseppe Mazzini. Okay, very important. MCQ इसमें से बहुत बार आता ही आता है. So let us talk about one such Italian revolutionary who's called as Giuseppe Mazzini. He was born in Genoa in 1807. It has to be remembered. This is important. He became a member of secret society of Carbonari. This is also important. MCQ में आएगा. ठीक है, because he was a member of Carbonari में secret society में he was a member. He was a young man of 24 and he was sent to jail, exile यानी he was being landed up in an island which was very far away from the society. And in 1831, for attempting a revolution in Liguria, he attempted a revolution in Liguria और conservatives ने वहां से they picked up Giuseppe Mazzini and they sent him to exile as a punishment. He subsequently, at the same time, he founded two more underground secret societies. Mark kar lena, name is important. That is Young Italy and Young Europe. Young Italy was found in Marseilles, that is in France, and then Young Europe was found in Bern, that is in Europe. Okay, whose members, how were the members? Who all were the members? The members were like-minded young men from Poland, France, Italy and German states. They all wanted to become revolutionaries and they all wanted to grant freedom for their own country. Okay, Mazzini believed that God has intended nations to be natural units of mankind. Mazzini said that God has made nations so that it can be natural units of mankind. No one should rule over man. Hence, right of liberty and freedom is essential in every nation, and that is why they all are forming secret societies. Okay. So Italy could not continue to be a patchwork of small states and kingdoms. Now Mazzini, because he was an Italian revolutionary, he had a sentiment for Italy. Hence he said that because a nation is not a patchwork of different monarchies, but it should be a natural unit of mankind. Hence Italy should not involve now in patchwork. We will now make Italy as one single nation state. Okay, he wanted that it has to be forged means it has to be brought into a single unified republic with wider alliance of nation. He wanted to unite all the small states in Italy, and he wanted to bring Italy under one head or one nation. Okay, this unification alone could not be a basis of Italian liberty. He followed this model of secret society. He set up secret society in Germany, he set up in France, Switzerland and Poland. Okay, Mazzini was relentlessly means bina ruke bina toke wo he was completely opposing monarchy. He was not in the favor of monarchy, he was in the favor of vision of democratic republic. यानी जो फेडरिक सोरेयू का ड्रीम था, मजीनी wanted to fulfill that. He frightened मजीनी का जो ये रूल था या मजीनी का जो ये what we can say feeling थी that he will bring a change, that actually frightened conservatives को लगा कि हमारा रूल खत्म कर देगा गुसिपी मजीनी. Okay, in fact, if you remember who is Metternich, Metternich is the Duke Metternich. Treaty of Vienna में हमने पढ़ा था. He is the Vice Chancellor of Austria. उन्होंने मसीनी को describe करने के लिए कहा that he is the most dangerous enemy of our social order. With social order, they said that he is the most dangerous enemy of conservative rule. Mazzini wants to remove conservative rule, hence he is our biggest enemy. MCQ में आ जाता है that this line was used by whom and for what. Okay. Now, see Giuseppe Mazzini and the founding of Young Europe in Bern. He is Giuseppe Mazzini. Picture aa jati hai. Identify the person who is here signing the documents. He is Giuseppe Mazzini. याद रखना है, important है, very very important. Okay. By this we have finished the topics on page number 12. Okay.